Need to control a PC remotely for work or tech support? Today I'll show you how to download AnyDesk, the fastest remote desktop tool with zero bloatware or hidden fees. Go to google.com, search AnyDesk, then click the first result, anydesk.com. Click Download Now, enter your email, click Get the Guide. Your download starts automatically. Run the setup file, then follow installation prompts. Now you can access your work PC from anywhere. Like this tutorial? Subscribe for more remote work hacks?